Hello, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to the channel. It is a cold day in the workshop today. It's that cold I can't get any of my batteries to charge. They were in the van all last night. Put them on a charger and the orange light comes on. So hopefully leaving them in here for a bit will solve the trick. So we have the Milwaukee HD18BS 0, which I believe will mean Bandsaw 0 batteries. I've purchased two 5 amp hour batteries to go with this. I got this from Screwfix UK. I will leave the details of how much it cost below, just in case it changes by the time you see the video. I'll just leave a link. Let's get to the unboxing. A few bits of information on there. 4.7 kilograms it weighs. It's got an LED light I managed for when you hit the switch. 146 Ms per minute. I'm not sure what that means. Rotations maybe. And it has a cut depth of 85 millimeters. There we go. Box done. We have the instruction manual, a warranty, registration warranty manual, 2 instruction manuals with all the languages of the world. Well, not all of them, so don't quote me on that. I think we might need the instruction manual because I'm not sure if this comes with a blade fitted or not. So straight off, oh, it's heavy. It is heavy. Oh no, the blade's fit. Blade's fitted. One bag, rest of the card. Oh, the blade is already pre-fitted on there. There we go. This is a, okay, they say you've got to use this two-handed as a lock. Alright, so you've got a lock switch there. Unlocked, locked. Light. I'm not sure what that is. A release, the release guard, I suppose. Probably this is an instruction manual read. The blade pre-assembled. I thought you had to assemble these, so that's quite handy. Yeah, there we go. Let's stick a battery on and see how heavy it is with that. Just a 4 amp hour battery. Fully charged. Oh, there's the, is that right? Do you see that? The light come on there. 1 speed setting. There's no, oh, that's got a nice first use smell, that. It's a nice sound, it's quite quiet. I don't know if you can really pick up on that on the video. Yeah, cool. It makes a cool sound. Alright, let's do a bit of cutting with it. Yeah, as you can see, 85mm. Cut anything up to 85mm wide. And I think that's the same as well. Yeah, 85mm deep. So 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches pretty much. 3, you know, just. It's a bit tight. If you say 3.5, 3.25 inches for you Americans out there, or anyone who uses the old Imperial. 25mm tube, just hollow, galvanized. 900. Just a little demonstration to show you how easy it cuts. I don't know how easy it cuts. It cuts incredibly wrong. Right, I don't have to do this one-handed, but can you do it one-handed? Yes, it's heavy now. It is heavy with the battery on as well. This could go incredibly wrong. Kick my hands away. Let's cut it something. Well, didn't seem to struggle. I think it'd be easier a bit with two hands on that, definitely. So I'd sort of recommend probably having a rig set up just to cut that down. So I don't know if I'll get this in. There you go. Clean cut. A bit burry, but save cutting it with a grinder, getting all the sparks everywhere. Right, let's try a bit of, I've got a bit of rod here. Doesn't matter how I cut this, to be honest, I was just going to use this for pegging. Hey, there you go. So there you go, a bit of solid steel bar. That took a bit more time than I thought it would. And that, just to give it a bit of hindsight and how thick it is, that was a, what's that, 18mm piece of solid steel. So that took a bit of work. Still cold to touch though. No heat on that whatsoever, a tiny bit of warmth. Right, I have got, just as a final thing, a bit of copper tube, which, to be honest, I think if you're going to cut copper tube, you'd buy the M12 version, which I nearly did buy, the little micro one. So a bit of copper tube. There we go. Oh, boy. Easy enough. That trigger is a little bit sensitive, I'd say. It seems to, I suppose that's a good thing. On the blade it says extreme thick metal, so 18mm steel, I think it's about as extreme as you're going to go with cutting with it. Mainly I'm going to be cutting mild steel with a wall size of about, 3mm. Probably 5mm max. Anyway, there is my unboxing and small review of that. Like I say, I think the trigger's a tiny little bit sensitive. It is heavy. I don't know if the brushless version would be better. If you have any questions about it, leave them below, and then I'll get back to you. I'll be using this a lot over the next few days, so let me know. Thanks for watching. Like if you like, don't if you don't. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, or if you don't. See you in the next video. Ta-da! So just a quick little add-on. There is a sign there, a little label. Do not hold one-handed or with your hand down like that. Do not be like me. Do not be an idiot. Oh, and another thing, this has a little pull out thing here, which I just read, for balancing on, so you can lean it on stuff while you cut down. There you go. Cheers.